How is Instagram's new Threads app competing with Twitter? Twitter has changed since Elon Musk bought it last year. Many new competitors hope to dethrone the giant. Despite Blue Sky's hype, none have taken off. Instagram Threads differ. Instagram Threads reached 5 million users in record time. It beat ChatGPT's 1 million users in 5 days. This platform's secret sauce? Let's examine. Instagram Threads? Instagram's spin-off Threads focus on conversations. Instagram users can post text updates and join public discussions. The app looks like Instagram's comment section but has Twitter's reply and reshare features. You can post 500 characters, links, 10 photos, and 5-minute videos. No thread editing. Threads lack a trending section and hashtags. Instagram Threads sign-up. How? The sign-up process is Instagram Threads' biggest success. Threads uses Instagram's 2.35 billion users instead of starting from scratch like other Twitter competitors. Instagram allows you to sign up without entering personal information. Automatically transfer the bio. Easy registration. Download Threads from Apple's App Store or Google's Play Store in India, launch it, tap Login with Instagram, and hit Import from Instagram to start. Instagram Threads, how to use them. Threads feel like Twitter. Some Instagram followers are already on your feed. Tap the pencil icon on the bottom navigation bar to comment or create your own posts. Instagram Threads versus Twitter? Instagram Threads remains a basic app. Threads only lets you search for people to follow, unlike Twitter, which lets you search tweets and trending topics. Threads does not allow direct post sharing like Instagram. Instagram Threads beats Twitter because of its massive user base. Add Elon Musk's Twitter dissatisfaction, and you have a winning combination. Threads isn't the first Twitter alternative since Musk bought Twitter. Blue Sky, the Jack Dorsey-backed Twitter clone, Mastodon, the anti-Twitter, Substack Notes, and others since they had to build their audiences from scratch, they can feel empty and unappealing to Twitter users. Instagram Thread privacy? However, Instagram Threads raise privacy concerns. The app's App Store listing lists many permissions, including access to financial info and sensitive info. That's a lot of trust in an app from Meta, the former Facebook, which has been embroiled in scandals. Thank you for watching.